Welcome back. Glad you're here for another Techstination interview. I'm Fred Fishkin, and with us from a company called Moneybrain are CEO Eric Jang and Felix Kim, a business manager based in South Korea. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for inviting me.
Well, you are in the artificial intelligence business, doing some really, really interesting work. Give us some background about the company, Eric.
Moneybrain is an AI company specialized in deep learning and video synthesis technology. We create artificial human that looks and speak like real human.
Give us an idea of the kinds of companies that you're doing work with now, in primarily so far in South Korea, right?
Anyone who requires video content creation can benefit from Moneybrain's text-to-video solution, such as broadcasting station, media companies, and education service providers and financial companies can enhance their productivity and efficiency without implementing additional infrastructure. For example, artificial anchor can help to report news while real anchor is getting ready to on the stage. Artificial tutor can teach kids in real time whenever kids want to study. AI kiosks with artificial human can deliver information more efficiently without touching the screen, going back and forth of menus. Likewise, artificial human will help us free from the burden of resource consumption and overcome the technology gap.
Really, really interesting. So can we take a look perhaps at some of the work that you've done?
Yeah, Felix do.
Hello everyone, I'm Jacob. I'm not a real person, but artificial intelligence avatar created by deep learning and video synthesis technologies of Moneybrain. Today we'll look at how Moneybrain's artificial intelligence models are made. First, the actual model reads about 11,000 sentences of the script. Second, through deep learning technology, the model's voice and images are trained on the computer. Once we are done with training, all you have to do is typing in your script to create a video of fabulous avatar like me, anywhere, anytime.
Hello, I am an artificial intelligence human model of Brett. It is great to meet you.
Wow, pretty amazing stuff. What's the reaction that you get from consumers? This has actually been used by some broadcast stations in Korea. What's the reaction of consumers to this?
Whenever they see this artificial human, they immediately react nothing. The reason being is they can't really realize it's actually artificial human. They think that it's the real person. So one of the biggest work at the beginning of our business was collaboration with broadcasting stations. So we've also created artificial anchor and artificial tutors and on. And then a lot of cases, the real anchors or teachers, they can cover the whole areas. So that time we can put our artificial human in order to help them or give them a support to cover those areas. So reaction is pretty good.
Besides broadcasting and education, what other areas are you finding customers in?
Anyone who requires video content creation can benefit from Moneybrain's text-to-video solution, such as broadcasting station, media companies, and education and financial companies can enhance the productivity and efficiency without implementing additional infrastructure.
What do you say to people who are worried about losing jobs or other implications? I mean, many people, even some in technology, have expressed fears of artificial intelligence. How do you address those concerns?
Okay, I will speak Korean and translate. Felix translate to English. So, 우리 인공지능이 보통 영어 일자리를 얻을 것이라고 걱정을 많이 하고 있긴 하지만 그런 것들은 오히려 새로운 기회가 될 수 있다고 생각합니다.
A lot of people think that or misunderstand that they might lose their job because of artificial intelligence or robots, but actually with our technology, we believe that we can create more job and other opportunities.
예를 들면 인공지능을 개발하기 위한 여러 가지 엔지니어들과 데이터를 가공하기 위한 수많은 직업들이 만들어지고 있습니다.
As an example, we've been creating a lot of job positions such as engineering and developers and other data collectors and on and on. So we're actually creating a lot of jobs here in Korea.
그뿐만 아니라 우리랑 계약하고 있는 AI 아나운서들은 본인의 초상권을 제공함으로써 본인이 일을 하지 않아도 AI 아나운서가 돈을 벌어주는 일도 있습니다.
And also, like as we mentioned before, artificial anchors that we create based on the real person. So even though they're not working, but artificial anchors are working. So they're actually making money even when they're getting a rest without working.
우리는 이러한 변화를 피할 수는 없으며 이런 기회를 더 잡을 수 있어야 한다고 생각합니다.
People say it's not possible to avoid such the technology trend, but we try to get this opportunity and bring a good energy and good technology to people.
Yeah.
Now you're trying to expand your business into the United States. Tell me about that.
Anyone that needs to deal with video creation or customer engagement continuously can benefit from Moneybrain's video synthesis technology. However, we think that broadcasting station and media companies will be appropriate industries at this moment, since Moneybrain has already made many successful cases in this area.
What about things like telemedicine and such? Are you thinking there are applications there as well? And how well do the avatars, so to speak, respond to questions, interacting with people?
한국에서 우리는 이미 몇 가지 케이스를 가지고 있다.
There are already a few cases here in Korea about that.
예를 들면 약사가 약에 대해서 설명을 할 때 세부적인 내용을 설명할 수 없으므로 AI를 통해서 복용 방법에 대해서 설명하는 걸 우린 이미 적용하고 있다.
Sometimes you cannot really expect to receive sufficient information from pharmacy. So in that case, our artificial human can deliver more information in detail on behalf of the people, the employees working at the pharmacy.
그리고 글로벌 헬스케어 업체와 함께 헬스케어에 관한 AI를 개발하고 있다.
It's already happening. We can't name the name of the company, but one of the biggest global company in healthcare industry, we've been collaborating with them in order to create artificial human or nurses or doctors to give a better service to patients.
What about the interaction with people? If I wanted to ask a question, if I was a reporter in the field, can I ask a question and have an interaction with this artificial anchor, or in another setting, a student interacting with one of the teachers?
Yeah. 처음에는 우리는 비디오 신세시스 기술에서 시작해서 동영상을 만들 수 있었지만 지금은 인터랙티브가 가능한 아티피셜 휴먼 기술로 발전하고 있다.
So at the beginning, we started from video synthesis only to create the video contents, but now we are developing our technology. And what we can do is we can create artificial human that can interact with people in real time.
아티피셜 휴먼은 우리가 음성으로 질문하면 답변을 즉시적으로 해줄 수 있으며 제스처와 표정까지 지을 수 있습니다.
Artificial human can interact with people by speaking and talking and expressing emotions and gestures. So people cannot really feel that they are talking to robots or AI.
There are companies that have worked in the retail space in this, and I'm thinking maybe tourism or airports, things along those lines that are trying to use the technology there. How is what Moneybrain is doing different from other companies, and what might your advantages be over your competition?
우리는 그 아티피셜 휴먼을 전 세계적으로 가장 높은 수준의 기술을 보유하고 있으며 가장 많은 사업화 사례를 가지고 있다.
We believe that we have the finest and the most advanced technology in video synthesis area. And then we believe that we can bring a lot of benefit out of our, based on our technology to these industries.
지금 현재는 우리는 교육업체와 또는 금융회사, 은행을 비롯한 금융회사에 아티피셜 휴먼을 제공하고 있고 앞으로는 병원이나 호텔, 여러 가지 사람들을 상대할 수 있는 곳에 추가적으로 제공할 예정입니다.
Not only the industries that you asked about, but also education, finance, or hospital and healthcare and concierge, and a lot of industries. We believe that we can bring our technology to those areas to cover and or serve, offer a better service coverage.
Do you envision people interacting with what you're creating the way people interact today with the smart speakers, Amazon's Alexa or Google or Apple's Siri, or Bixby from Samsung? Do you envision having people interacting with pictures, with your creations instead of just the voice?
Yeah, voice is also a great method or way to communicate with, but visualization is very important because when we are people, when we talk to people and looking at the other person. So that's why a lot of companies who develop the similar technology, such as Soul Machine and other company, with the digital human or characterized a 3D person. But the difference of our technology from those technology is it's based on the real person. So when you're talking to the artificial human that we create, you can't really feel that you're talking to digital human or characters or artificial intelligence, but you're naturally having a communication with that artificial human. So I think that's the benefit of our technology that we try to bring to especially elderly people who don't understand the technology, who suffer from those advanced technology. So we're not trying to change the world. We just try to stay and then offering a little bit of advanced technology and try to make things better, a lot easier.
Where can people go for more information about the work that you're doing?
We have company's homepage, moneybrain.ai. There are many information about our company.
And also we've been posting many different interesting videos, not only on Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, or Twitters, and then you can search for Moneybrain or directly artificial human. Then you might be able to find some interesting videos there.
Yeah, you can search our company's information. Just type the Moneybrain in a Google search engine.
Terrific. Once again, the website is moneybrain.ai.
Yes.
Eric Jang and Felix Kim, thank you so much for taking the time with us.
Mm-hmm.
Appreciate your precious time.
Thank you.
Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at C. Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand, without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at Techstination.com.